All right, this seems like a good angle to shoot in. I am in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and today I want to do this video to show you ways you can remove your pills off your sweaters. So I used to use this one, an electric driven by battery, and look at how much it eats up of your sweater. That's so crazy. So the electrical ones do not use. They are eating sweaters, just like moth larvae. I found this in my parents' stuff. It's to clean pills, but basically it feels exactly like Velcro. And I tried Velcro, and Velcro seemed to work too. So let me show you first this one. And I look for the pills, like you see the pills here. Ooh. And then I go in the direction that the knit is going in. And look, it's getting better already. Yes. Ah, pills. Ooh, sexy. It's always important to consider the back when you're designing. I take that into account with hats, but I like to do 360 so you can have a choice. Say you're feeling like a glamorous movie star one day, you can wear your hat this way, okay? So then let's check out the pumice stone. It seems like it worked, right? Pumice stone, which comes from volcanoes. Here are some bad pills we must get rid of. Okay, you take pumice stone and you drag across the knit, follow the direction. I don't know what accent I am doing, but it's fun to try to play around with the body. See? It's good, no? Look, it's so good. Yeah, it worked. This is a pocket, actually. Big one. Not for little dogs, okay? You cannot just put them inside here and then expect that the integrity of the knit is going to hold, right? Huh? Is this the only way I can get you on camera? Is to kidnap you? Huh? Why are you crying? Do you want to? You're becoming like an old man. You know the old man that like to grumble? You're like, He's almost 9. Next summer, he's going to be 9 years old.